Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you will be enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class that is in English for grade 2. And we are learning unit number 7 and its title is the Tivoli Festival. Yes, my dear fellow teacher, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given below. You may click it, download it, or you can adjust it for your ease. I am going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Our today's lecture, lecture number 3, we will learn about cardinal numbers. So my dear students, already before in English for grade 2, you have already learned about numbers, that how we can count different things according to numbers. So I hope you remember it. If you may not, so you can watch this video lecture again. And today we are going to learn further about it. Write cardinal numbers in words from 1 to 10. Okay. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentions in Al-Quran, Surah Ikhlas, verse number 1, say, He is Allah who is one. Subhanallah, my dear students. This beautiful verse is clearly telling us that Allah is one. Okay? We have to worship Him. We have to obey Him. If we have to prostrate in front of Him. Just only one Allah. And Allah is one. One and only. Okay? To whom we worship, to whom we pray, to whom we ask for help, my dear students. Okay? So this one, do you know? We are going to learn about these numbers. Okay. So we are going to brainstorm our knowledge, what we have already learned. What are cardinal numbers? What cardinal numbers tell us? Okay? So my dear students, what are cardinal numbers and what cardinal number tell us? So let's see. The numbers that we use for counting are called cardinal numbers. Okay? The numbers that we use for counting things, places or persons. So these numbers are called cardinal numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. So my dear students, so in this way, these numbers are called cardinal numbers. So cardinal numbers tell us total numbers, means how many things are there when we are counting them. So definitely we will use cardinal numbers. You can see like 1, 2, read with me my dear students, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Till 7 I have shown you in examples. So these are called cardinal numbers. Next, see there, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Okay, so you can count also here like 0, 1, one thing. Okay, my dear students, 2, 1 and 2, 3 things are there, 4, 5, you can count also, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, you can count different things according to the cardinal numbers we can use from 1 to till 10. Next is, okay, like 1, 2, count with me my dear students, 3, 4, are you counting? Good. 5, 6 and 7. Yes, it means we have total 7 books here. Got it? So in this way we can count different things using cardinal numbers. Okay, my dear students? 7 total. The number that we use for counting are called cardinal numbers. Cardinal numbers tells us how many. Okay, means how many things are there. So when we want to count, so then we use cardinal numbers, means countable things that we can count. You can see that how many cats are there. To know the total number of kites, we need to count the kites 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So let's count. Okay, 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5. So how many kites are there? Yes, there are total 5 kites. Good job. Yes, now here also there are counting numbers and in words also like 1. You can see there 1, There is one thing, two, 1, 2, 3. Count with me, my dear students. 1, 2, 3. And 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you will count thing, then you can give also number. It's up to you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Is it clear, my dear students? In this way, we count different things while using cardinal numbers. Either these numbers are in numbers or in words. These are in numbers, okay, digits. These are also, my dear students, cardinal numbers, but these numbers are in digits. Here, these numbers are in word form. Is it clear? When we spell them, so then these digits are converted into word form. So here is an interesting activity for you. So are you ready? Yes, my dear teacher, you have to say to students that they have count your fingers. They have to count their fingers. Count how many students are sitting on first desk and first two desks. Count how many color pencils do you have. So my dear students, this is a beautiful activity and amazing, interesting activity for you. You have to count your fingers on both hands. You can count color pencils. You can count students in your class. Count all things that is available in your class. So pause the video, my dear teacher, and get this activity from your students. Welcome back. Good job, my dear students. Excellent work. I hope you have counted nicely. Good. So on page number 59, you have to open page number 59 and question number 7 is there. Write cardinal numbers from 1 to 10 in words in your notebooks. You have to write cardinal numbers 1 to 10 in words. Words mean in spelling form. Okay. So do this activity in your class in your notebook. Welcome back, my dear students. Excellent work. So what's your homework? You have to draw, count and write 1 to 10 stars in cardinal numbers. You have to draw stars 1 to 10 and then you have to write cardinal numbers in words. So my dear teacher, this is worksheet. This worksheet link is given below. You should get it and provide it to your students and see that students can count things. Are they able to write cardinal numbers in words? So what we have covered today? We covered that the numbers that we use for counting are called cardinal numbers. We also learned to write cardinal numbers 1 to 10 in words, and in this way we have covered up our this SLO. So my dear students, today's lecture was about cardinal numbers and how we can change them into word form. So I hope today's lecture you have enjoyed a lot. So tomorrow with a new lecture we will meet soon, inshallah. Till that time, stay blessed. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.